The steering on this car actually isn't too bad because I cleaned it around 6 months ago. But when the leather gets too shiny, then you know it's full of oils. And that's what we're aiming to remove today. So we'll end up with a matte looking texture. So when it's shiny, then you definitely know it needs a clean. So we'll be using the 101 multi-surface cleaner. We got a magic eraser, a brush for agitation, microfiber cloth. Let's go. So next we'll be using the magic eraser. And then finally, with your microfiber, just go over all the bits that you just cleaned. So now, as you can see, the steering's got a really matte texture, but obviously we need to protect the leather, so we're going to be using Maguire's Gold Class Rich Leather. So it's a conditioner and it gives a complete package for the leather. And yeah, let's have a look at the final result. After the conditioner's on. Like new. It would be the same process for the handbrake and the gear stick. So we're just going to do the gear stick quickly. We can just end it with a bit of conditioner. And there we have it. Obviously we can't do nothing about the wear and tear, but we can definitely make it cleaner than it was.